YouFine specializes in the production of various large-scale outdoor art sculptures for more than 40 years, and has rich industry experience. We specialize in customizing various styles of stainless steel sculptures, including outdoor large-scale landscape decoration, as well as modern hotel garden decoration. We also support customization of various sizes, whether it is an outdoor giant sculpture or a life-size sculpture, there is no problem. Of course, we still have a lot of stock to choose from. For your needs, we will provide the best service.